Ever wonder why the scale just won't budge no matter how hard you try? I get it. Weight loss can feel like a total mystery sometimes. Today, I'm breaking down 5 surprising reasons you might not be losing weight, even if you think you're doing everything right. And yeah, I'll tell you what you can do about it. All right, let's jump in. Reason number 1, you're eating healthy but still overeating. Just because something's labeled as healthy, granola smoothies, avocado toast, doesn't mean it's low in calories. It's super easy to go overboard, especially with snacks and drinks. Try tracking your portions for a week. You might be surprised at how those calories add up. Number 2, you're not sleeping enough. Sleep isn't just for feeling rested. It actually affects your hunger hormones. If you're skimping on sleep, your body craves more food, especially high sugar, high fat stuff. So prioritize at least 7 hours a night. Next up, reason 3. You're underestimating your liquid calories. Lattes, juices, healthy smoothies. If you're sipping on these daily, it could be sabotaging your progress. Switch to water, black coffee, or herbal tea, and see if that makes a difference. Reason 4. You're not as active as you think. Hitting the gym for an hour is awesome, but what about the rest of your day? Sitting for long stretches at work or lounging on the couch can slow your metabolism. Try to sneak in more movement. Take the stairs stand while working, go for a quick walk after meals. It all adds up. And finally, number 5. Stress is messing with your progress. When you're stressed out, your body releases cortisol, which can trigger cravings and make it harder to shed fat. Plus, stress can mess with your sleep and motivation. Find a way to manage your stress. Meditation, journaling, calling a friend. So, if you're struggling to lose weight, it might be one or even all of these sneaky culprits. Take a look at your daily habits and make a small tweak. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. If this helped, subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Let me know which one surprised you the most. Share this with a friend who needs motivation. Thanks for watching.